Special greetings, my dear students. Today, in this video class, we are just going to learn about database. Okay, DB. DB means a database. Students, in this video, I am not going to teach you more. I am going to just explain and I am going to just give the intro. What is meant by database, where we are using database, and how it is working. And I am going to give just intro about this. Okay, database. Mostly database is having two type. One is a flat file and another one is a relational. Okay, only there are two type of database. Sir, we know data. Data means information. Am I right? Data means information. Information means it can be a audio or video or software or picture or document. Okay, so many, any type of value, okay, it is stored in a computer or it is in a soft copy form. It is called data. Okay, data means information. This information can be in any way. It can be in any manner. It can be in a video manner, or it can be in an audio manner, or it can be in a picture manner, or it can be a document manner, any manner. Okay, data means what? Information. That information can be categorized into this much types. Okay, and more types are there, date and time. So these are the types of data. Okay, so these are the categorized. Okay, this is called data. Data means information. It can be in any form. So this data, students, we should not use datas. Okay, data, it is a correct. Datas, it is a wrong. Okay, data must be only data. Okay, if you want, you can use a datum. D-A-T-U-M, datum. Okay, but datas, it is a wrong. Don't use in a plural form. Okay, mostly use data or datum. Only these two. Now students, in database is used to store a large amount of data. Database is used to store a data. This data storing this categorized into only two type. One is a flat file and another one is a RDBMS. Students, this RDBMS is very important because everywhere we are using only RDBMS. Okay, or everywhere we are using only RDBMS. In higher class, including this class also, we are learning only RDBMS. In this chapter, we are going to learn about MS Access. But MS Access is a database and that is coming in category of a RDBMS. Okay, and flat file database, actually what is the difference between RDBMS and flat file database? RDBMS means a relational database management system. Relational database management system. Whatever data you are storing, that all data is having relationship, each having some connectivity between each other. But in this flat file database, okay, this also used to store data. In RDBMS we can able to store in a huge amount, but flat file we can able to store in a little bit, means some limit is there. Okay, some particular limit, less only we can able to store. And students, just you imagine, in our school how many students are there? Okay, for the all students, father name, mother name, father occupation, father mobile number, address, email, everything we are storing. Student personal information. Okay, student after student school information. Okay, student school information means which class, which section, okay, after admission number, and what is his mark, what is his mark, and did he get any medal or any competition when he is participating, ID card, school bus, this all will come in a school student school. Personal means the father, mother, this all means for your understanding purpose I am saying. So this both are tables, means whatever data, not only school, including a corporate company or office, or if you are applying for Aadhaar card or PAN card, when you are applying, whatever information you are filling through the online, okay, this is a computer, okay, you are applying for one form, you are typing your first name, last name, father name, mobile number, everything you are entering here, and when you are clicking here save, this all data, okay, this all data whatever you entered, it will transfer through the online and it will save in a server, it will store in a server. And if you go to the server, if you open the database, if you open the database, it will be in a tabular form, any type, SQL, okay, SQL, Oracle, or any type of database, MS Access, okay, any database you open, any type of database you open, mostly data will store in the form of only a tabular, only tabular form it will store. In tabular, sir, in table how it will store? Okay, now I am roll number 1. So roll number, name, father name, class. If I am roll number 1, my name will be there, okay, after my father name, after my class, and if any other person, number 2 is a Rohit, father name and Rohit class, means if you see your students, this entire first row, entire row, okay, entire row having one student information, one single entity, okay. So again I am saying, whatever information, okay, whatever information we are storing in a computer, it will store in only tabular form. In database always it will store data in a tabular form. Okay, now we can see a little bit deeply. Okay, here is a table. This is a table. Already told whatever information we are storing in database, it will store in a tabular form. So this is a table. So serial number, name, class, section. Now 1, 2, 3, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. 8th A, 8th A, 8th, sorry, A, B. Okay. Now Mr. A is studying in 8th class, A section, and Mr. A roll number is, serial number is what? 1. Am I right? So each row is having particular one student entity, one student information. Okay, one student information. My dear students, before going inside of the concept, basic things you should know. What is a column? What is a row? You are thinking, sir, this is a column and this is a row. It is a wrong. Okay, this vertical, okay, vertical is called what? Column. So this vertical is called a column. So this is the first column, second column, third column. Now I am asking, B is in which column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column. Okay. So this vertical is called column, and Horizontal. Horizontal means what? This way. Horizontal is called row. Okay, this horizontal is called row. So first row, second row, third row, and sorry. So students, first one is a heading will come. So this is a table heading, so it will not be counted as a row, but that is a row. Okay, first row, second row, and third row. Okay, now number C is in a which column? Kindly see, C is in a which column? First, second column. C is in a second column. Okay, C is in a which row? 1, 2, 3, third row. Students, first one is the table heading. Table heading you should not count. Okay, table heading you should not count. Okay, this is a basic concept. If you see students, you can say column as a field. You can tell column as a field. Sir, what is a field? If you see this now, okay, name having only letter value, character value. Am I right? Example, Arun or Raj. Raj, if you see in this, or AJ, Raj, only letters. Is any name is there? Raj, 2, 4. Is it possible? No. Correct? So according to computer, this is a text. This is a text. So in this, if you declare as a name as a text, this entire column should store only the text value. You cannot able to enter numerical value here. Okay, you cannot able to enter numeric value in this place, text. In a one particular cell, you can able to type 255 characters. Okay, again I am saying this is a field. Field store only one type of information. Okay, field store only one type of information. Example, see here class, here 888, here I can mention 7 also, correct? But I cannot able to mention 8. This is a numerical value. Computer will not accept. It will show the error. Understand now? So field means it will store only one type of information. So column is called field. And this one row na, each row is a record. Example, I want number 2 record. Number 2 record means his father name, mother name, class, section, his address, his mobile number, everything. See? Number 2. In this particular row, I can able to see number 2 record now. I cannot able to take. Number 2 is here. So here is this information. No. Only in this row, that number 2 record will be there. If I am coming to this row, only number 3rd record will be there. In this record, number 1 father name, not possible. Okay. So each row is called record. Each row is called record. So only these things you have to know. Again I am saying, vertical means a column, and each column is called what? Field. Okay, each column is called field. And row, horizontal is called row, and each row contain only one particular student record. Am I right? Each number 1, enter that number 1 row having one individual student record. Okay, each row is called record. Each row is called record. And at last data. Each cell we are storing a value, that is called data. Okay students, today I just given intro of the table, and in the upcoming video class we will learn about the data types. Again I am saying, whatever information nowadays we are storing only in a form of table. Okay, be clear in that. RDBMS we are using maximum, flat file database we are using rarely, and these are the types of data we can see in the next upcoming video classes, and thanks for watching.